सो गाइस, आज हम आपको लेके आए हैं लास टेरेनास। ये एक छोटा सा टाउन है समाना में। सामने दिख रहा होगा, लोग यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं। और ऑनेस्टली बोलो तो हम कब बहुत देर से नोटिस कर रहे हैं कि काफ़ी फ्रेंच लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो आए हुए हैं। सो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगा, यहाँ से थोड़ा दिखाना चालू करते हैं आपको कैसा लगेगा।
Las Terrenas, often called the Europe of the Dominican Republic, this charming coastal town is a perfect blend of Caribbean beauty and European influence. If you're looking for stunning beaches, laid-back vibes, and a cultural mix that feels like a tropical slice of Mediterranean, then this is the place to be. But what really adds to Las Terrenas' charm is its lively streets, colorful shack-style restaurants, and boutique-style complexes that make exploring here so much fun. Whether it's cozy beachfront cafes, vibrant open-air restaurants, or small local eateries tucked into hidden corners, there's something unique around every turn. These spots bring an eclectic energy to the town, making every stroll an adventure. So, let's start exploring. But first things first, let's talk about how to commute in this town conveniently.
So guys, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था कि यहाँ के लोग बहुत स्वीट हैं. Icalo is helping me out to get to Las Terrenas. I want to take a motor taxi. He's helping me out to get outside and find a taxi, which he didn't have to because वो किसी और होटल में काम करता है. And but still he's helping me out. So really sweet people out here. यहाँ पे कहीं मोटर टैक्सी नहीं मिलती, so he is taking me to the place. Really sweet. So चलो चलते हैं Las Terrenas के टूर पे. टैक्सी भी इसी टाइप की होती है कि कोई एक बाइक चला रहा होता है एंड वो आपको अपने पीछे बिठा के लेके जाते हैं. ये जहाँ पर भी आप जाएंगे तो आपको ये ऐसे जैकेट पहने हुए दिखेंगे, और जैकेट पहने हुए दिखेंगे उसके ऊपर लिखा भी होता है, इनका नंबर लिखा होता है पूरा प्रॉपर, लाइसेंस नंबर, मोटर टैक्सी, एवरीथिंग. सो आप इजीली फिगर आउट कर सकते हैं यू नो कि ये वही टैक्सी है या नहीं. तो इट्स वेरी सेफ. एंड यहाँ पे लास टेरेनास में घूमना अकेले भी इट इज़ वेरी सेफ. मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं लगा.
Many visitors opt for buggy rides, which are not only practical but also a fun way to explore the area. It is a popular mode of transport here, including motorbikes, moto taxis, and small local taxis that zip around, offering quick ways to get from one spot to the next. The first spot for today is this Beach Garden Plaza in the downtown, which is a charming European-style complex that gives off a peaceful, cozy vibe.
So guys, behind me यहाँ पे एक वो छोटे-छोटे से शॉप्स हैं, और जो पूरा डेकोर है इनका और जो पूरा का पूरा स्टाइल है वो बहुत ही कॉलोनियल स्टाइल है. एंड यहाँ पे आके एकदम लगता है कि यूरोप में आ गए. तो अगर आप आ रहे हो लास टेरेनास तो डेफिनेटली इस एरिया में आना एंड हैव लाइक अ मील ओवर हियर और लाइक हैव अ ड्रिंक हियर, बट डेफिनेटली कम टू दिस प्लेस बिकॉज यू विल लव इट.
You'll find cute cafes here where you can sit outside, enjoy a cup of coffee, or have a light meal. You'll also find cute little stores selling handmade crafts, beachwear, and locally made souvenirs. And if you keep walking towards the beach, you will find another cute little spot, El DHO Cafe, a little classier that serves delicious coffee and fresh pastries.
So it's open now. Maybe we should get a drink here and then check out. And then इसके एकदम बगल में एक और बड़ा अच्छा सा रेस्टोरेंट है over there. So चलो डिसाइड करते हैं इनी मिनी माइनी मो करके कौन से वाले में बैठेंगे.
And if you're in this area, one spot you shouldn't miss is Cuesta de Castor, best known for its amazing tacos and Cubic-style poutine, making it a favorite among locals and visitors looking for a taste of Canada in the Dominican Republic. Now let's talk about our next recommendation, which is also right next to the Beach Garden Plaza, known as Etno Beach Club. This spot adds a stylish and laid-back vibe to the area and is a perfect spot to unwind, offering a mix of modern design with a tropical bohemian feel.
Wow, look at that, guys. That's real art. Beautiful, right?
She like Asian voodoo.
It's one of those places where you can relax on comfortable lounge chairs, soak in the ocean breeze whilst enjoying the ocean view. The ambience here is relaxed with soft music playing in the background. It's a fantastic place to enjoy a refreshing cocktail. Also has a happy hour menu, or you can just grab a bite including fresh seafood and local dishes here.
So guys, ये बहुत ही अच्छा एरिया एक्चुअली. मैंने मैंगो मोइतो लिया which is around 450 Dominican pesos. थोड़ा I mean as compared to Samana and other area यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा prices higher है, but this is like the main tourist area also, so that is why it's understandable. And यहाँ दिन में भी like you know the vibe is really good. Lights वगैरह होती हैं फिर भी बहुत अच्छा है. Like राइट साइड पे बीच है, यहाँ पे इन्होंने एक बीच क्लब टाइप का बनाया हुआ है, पीछे म्यूजिक चल रहा है. It's very nice. I like it so far.
Another standout feature in Las Terrenas' downtown area is a hotel that's hard to miss, the Bahia Principe Gran El Portillo. It's a massive resort designed to look like a cruise ship, adding a unique and striking architectural touch to the landscape. Surrounding this impressive hotel is the vibrant Porto Plaza complex, which has become a hotspot for visitors and locals alike. The area around Porto Plaza is full of cute, cozy cafes and small shops, making it a great place to spend an afternoon. Whether you're grabbing a quick espresso or sitting down for a light brunch, these cafes are perfect spots to relax and people watching. For me, I ordered a fresh lemonade.
It's hot, so limon means lemon. It's very fresh. They don't put any sugar or any preservative in this. It's like fresh lemon water.
And right opposite to this complex, after crossing a small cute bridge, you will find this beautiful stretch of beach called as Playa Punta Popi. Playa Punta Popi is known for its stunning turquoise water and has a calm and inviting hue, making it a favorite amongst visitors. The gentle waves and warm crystal clear water create the perfect setting for a day at the beach, whether you're swimming, relaxing under the sun, or just strolling around the shore. Along the beach, you will find several cute beachfront shack-style restaurants and cafes. These laid-back spots serve up delicious local dishes, from fresh food to traditional Dominican food. You can enjoy your meal with your feet in the sand, a cold drink in hand, and sound of the waves as your backdrop.
यहाँ का जो मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छा लगा वो ये कि यहाँ पे ना मारा मारी नहीं है चीज़ों को लेके. जैसे किसी रेस्टोरेंट में भी अगर तुम लोग जाते हो एंड यू सिट डाउन देयर, तो ये लोग बार बार आके परेशान नहीं करते कि अब क्या चाहिए. तुम्हें बुलाना पड़ता है इनफैक्ट उनको कि अब क्या कुछ अगर ऑर्डर करना है तो ताकि ये लोग तुमको से ना दे लेट यू बी, which is a very nice and relaxed thing to do, right?
As I already said, the vibe here is super chill, with people lounging under palm trees, kids playing by the water, and friendly locals chatting with tourists. Alright guys, now it's time for our last recommendation, but we saved the best for the last. And it's none other than Playa Bonita. This area completely stole our hearts away, and without a doubt became our favorite spot in Las Terrenas. With its calm turquoise waters, golden sand, and relaxed yet upscale vibe, it's a perfect place to unwind and soak in the natural beauty of the Dominican Republic. What makes Playa Bonita even more special is how well it's designed for both relaxation and exploration. There is a beautiful walking track that runs along the coastline, perfect for a morning stroll or sunset walk. You'll also find beachfront shacks and bars with plenty of seating area where you can sit back, sip on a drink, and take in the stunning ocean views. The whole area has a chill bohemian vibe, making it the kind of place where you could easily spend the entire day. And to make our stay even more special, we checked into El Mosquito Boutique Hotel, a charming beachfront spot that perfectly matches the laid-back yet stylish energy of Playa Bonita. One of the highlights here is El Mosquito Bar, which is open to everyone, not just hotel guests. It's a perfect place to enjoy a cocktail by the beach, listen to good music, and soak up the relaxed atmosphere. But we have so much more to share about this hotel, so if you want to see why this place is truly special, you'll have to wait for our next video. So until then, goodbye friends.